What if one day nature made a mistake? What if the tallest land animal on Earth and one of the toughest working animals could somehow have a baby? Not in a lab, not in a cartoon, but in a world where biology suddenly said, fine, let's allow it. What would that baby look like? Would it survive, or would it suffer from the moment it's born? Let's imagine the impossible and see why nature never lets this happen. Imagine being born into a body that can't decide what it is. Your legs are long, but not strong enough. Your neck is stretched, but not designed for balance. Your heart beats fast, unsure how far it needs to push blood upward. You hit the ground for the first time. And unlike most newborn animals, standing up is not easy. You wobble, you fall, you try again. Every second matters, because in the wild, if you don't stand quickly, you don't live. Inside your body, chaos is happening. One part of your genes is shouting, grow tall, reach the trees. Another part is saying, stay compact, stay efficient. Your bones don't grow evenly. Your joints take pressure they were never designed to handle. Your neck is your biggest problem. It's too long for a donkey's heart system and too short to work like a giraffe's, so blood struggles to reach your brain. You feel dizzy when you lift your head. You feel weak when you lower it. Even standing still is tiring. Now you're hungry, but nature has trapped you in the middle. Grass is too low. You have to bend awkwardly, stressing your neck. Leaves are too high. You stretch, but can't quite reach. Every meal costs energy, more energy than the food gives back. So even when you eat, you're still slowly losing strength. Hunger becomes normal. Fatigue becomes permanent. Predators notice you. They always do. You try to run, but your legs aren't built for speed like a donkey's, and your height isn't enough to scare attackers away. Your long neck throws off your balance. Every sharp turn risks a fall, and if you fall, getting back up takes too long. In nature, that delay is deadly. You survive not because you're strong, but because predators choose easier targets. For now, you look around for others like you. There are none. The tall ones don't accept you. You're too short, too strange. The smaller ones don't accept you either. You're too tall, too unfamiliar. Animals survive in groups. You survive alone. And loneliness in the wild is silent, but brutal. No warning calls, no protection, no shared warmth. Just you and your mismatched body. As you grow older, the pain increases. Your joints ache under uneven weight. Your spine curves under a neck it never evolved to carry. Your heart works harder every year, not to run faster, not to grow stronger, just to keep you alive. You are not weak, you are poorly designed. And in nature, design is everything. Your life is shorter than both your parents' species, not because you didn't fight, but because nature doesn't forgive mistakes. Every animal is shaped by millions of years of survival rules. You are the result of breaking them. So what would happen if a giraffe and a donkey could mate? You wouldn't get a super animal. You'd get a survivor trapped in the middle. Too tall, too slow, too inefficient. A living reminder that in nature, mixing doesn't mean improving. And sometimes being possible doesn't mean being meant to exist. Nature doesn't say no to be cruel. It says no because survival has rules. Break them, and life becomes suffering.